Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best products on the market. Today, we're excited to bring you one of the most amazing outdoor playsets for kids, the Eezy Peezy Mega Pyramid Monkey Bars Climbing Tower. This is the ultimate outdoor monkey bar set that will keep your kids active and entertained for hours. Whether it's a sunny day or rainy afternoon, this climbing tower is perfect for children aged 3 to 8 years old. Built to last, this structure is made from high-quality, UV-protected plastic, which means it can withstand all the elements, whether you're enjoying the outdoors or setting it up indoors. It's designed to offer both fun and fitness in one package, making it a great addition to any backyard. Setting up the Eezy Peezy Mega Pyramid is simple and easy. Despite its sturdy construction, it's lightweight and portable, allowing you to move it around effortlessly. You can place it anywhere, outside on the lawn or even inside for year-round play. The structure's design helps your kids develop key physical skills like balance, coordination, and strength, which are crucial during their early years. The Mega Pyramid features a colorful and exciting pyramid shape, which instantly sparks your child's imagination. They'll climb, crawl, and swing their way to hours of fun, while also creating games and stories in their little fort, spaceship, or secret hideout. It encourages not just physical exercise, but also mental creativity. Safety is a priority with this climbing set. It's designed to support up to 154 pounds, making it perfect for kids of varying sizes. The interlocking posts and joints ensure stability, so you can trust that your child is safe while they play and explore. At 105 inches long, 65 inches wide, and 52 inches high, the Eezy Peezy Mega Pyramid Monkey Bars provides plenty of room for your kids to climb and explore. And while the construction is durable, it remains surprisingly easy to assemble, so you'll have it set up in no time and ready for action. If you're looking for a fun, safe, and physically engaging activity for your kids, the Eezy Peezy Mega Pyramid Monkey Bars Climbing Tower is hands down one of the best outdoor monkey bar sets you can get. Don't miss out on providing your kids with endless hours of fun and fitness in your own backyard. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more great product reviews.